obey the terminal, while winter storms rolled black across the cliffs above the ocean. His hands were hard as rusted steel, and every scar upon them carried stories born from engines, diesel smoke, and broken roads. When I was young, he taught me silence more than speeches, sitting beside old fire barrels outside workshops near Harmony. He said a man is measured slowly by the weight he carries for his people. When the world begins to fall apart, sons of the Iron Line, born beneath the storm, carry fire through the darkness, keep the old blood warm. Though the years may break our bodies, though the cold winds never cease, Stormbound rights forever, and the brotherhood will never kneel. Years passed beneath electrical skies, while Los Santos grew colder, richer, louder and blind to those who built its endless towers. The factories closed, the rail yards emptied, and old brothers vanished one by one into prisons, graves, or bitter isolation. Still the convoy gathered every autumn down near Cypress Flats, where worn black jackets hung beside ancient wolf-marked banners. And the old men raised their glasses toward the younger riders, hoping something sacred still survived inside this dying age. Sons of the Iron Line, born beneath the storm, carry fire through the darkness, keep the old blood warm. Though the years may break our bodies, though the cold winds never cease, Stormbound rights forever, and the brotherhood will never kneel. I still remember hearing engines through the rain outside our home near Grapeseed, while my father stood beneath pale lightning, staring north beyond the mountains. Perhaps he already knew the world was changing into something colder and without honor, but he never spoke of fear, because fear was a burden meant to die with him. Now younger men ride south through Davis and La Mesa, searching for belonging beneath apartment lights and poison city skies. Some were raised without fathers, some carry anger like sharpened knives after years spent drowning quietly inside modern loneliness. Yet when they stand beside the fire and hear the old road songs echo through the freezing dark, something awakens in their eyes, as if forgotten kings still whisper through the storm, calling lost sons back toward the brotherhood once more. Sons of the Iron Line, born beneath the storm, carry fire through the darkness, keep the old blood warm. Though the years may break our bodies, though the cold winds never cease, Stormbound rights forever, and the brotherhood will never kneel. Sons of the Iron Line, stand against the night, hold the won't lead. So let the thunder shake the valleys and let cold rain wash the highways clean again. The fathers fade, the years move onward, and every storm carries another name into darkness. But somewhere beyond the black horizon, where engines roar beneath eternal